Good morning, children. For today's activity, we need a blank paper or a blank book. Now place a dot at the center of the page. Okay. So now with the help of a scale, draw a slanting line that passes through the points. Okay, just check the way I am doing it. This is a line which is passing through the center point. The second line, in the same way, make many lines that are passing through the point. It looks something like this. Can you see, children? Okay. There are different divisions, okay, between the lines. Now draw the smiling faces in each of the alternate section. Just check. Okay, you can draw either 3 or 4 as per your convenience. Okay, and in the opposite section, draw an opposite face, maybe a sad face. Okay, these are the opposite curves. Can you see this, children? Carry the same process on the entire page, and this is how it looks like. Be careful and be calm while completing your work. Turn your pages so that it looks more clear and for a better view. We are almost ready. Okay, is this how your screen is looking like? Okay. Now use the black marker, a bold one, and the crayons. You can either use crayons or highlighters. I am using green and red color. So now I've taken the color and I'm using a red color first. Can you see this? I'm coloring it in alternate sections. Can you see this? I'm coloring it in alternate sections. Color it properly. You can use a crayon if you all want, or a sketch pen, or a marker, highlighter, anything which is available with you. Okay, just see, I've left one box each after coloring. Okay, I'm going to color it alternatively. Now the second color, that's the green color, and just check where am I coloring the green color. Did you see? It's exactly opposite to the red color. You remember the check boxes? Checks, yes. In the same way, we are going to do it. Can you see this, children? So once your painting is completed, it looks something like this. Okay. Now pick up the colored pencils, same red and green. Okay. And can you see the white portion? Yes. Start coloring the edges of the white portion, the portion that is left white in color. Just check the way I am doing it. I am not entirely coloring it. Just see this. Now the time for red color. Okay. Only the edges you're supposed to color. Can you see this? Repeat the entire process, okay, on your page wherever the white color is seen. So once I'm done with all the colors filled in the white boxes, your painting looks something like this. And you can submit this in your next lecture. Okay, children? As I told you before, be very calm and be patient while doing this.